Hey YouTubers, Jim Mitchell 24/7 coming at you with the last of my custom restorations. This is kind of a restoration custom since I did change the paint and color, change the wheels, change the stripes. This I got this from Hot Rod Crazy. It was in pretty crappy shape. It was a real ugly yellow and had a lot of chips on it. Wheels looked a little excuse me, too small. But we stripped it apart, painted it some Testors gold, added the blue striped decals, added the number 87 Porsche on the side here. I was going to go with more of a racing style Porsche, but I really liked the gold and didn't really want to muck it up with a bunch of decals, so we just went pretty simple. Put some mainline wheels on it from the Subaru. Looks like I did some detailing here in the back, but this is just decals. I thought they came out pretty nice. Got a New York license plate on there. That's where Graham's from, so it's a New York car. Polished up the base, screwed it back together, and it rolls really nice, like all Hot Wheels should. And that's going to do it. That's stuff I'm sending to him. I hope he enjoys it. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them below. We'll see you out there somewhere.